There we go. Wow.
Ready?
Magic. Yes, let's go.
5 minutes.
Okay, so if you guys came to a previous OrlandJS Meetup, you may have seen Tyler Petresky, who presented earlier, his coffee pot. He connected it to a computer, and that's cool. But I'm Jared Porcenalic, and I run the Orlando Internet of Things Meetup. So I said, computers are big and bulky. You're not going to wake up and type in something and have your coffee pot turn on. Why not do it on a watch? So through the magic of JavaScript, I made that happen. This is a Pebble watch, and you believe it or not, and this is basically outlining that coffee pot, stuff connected to each other. You get it. So basically, I went on to Pebble's website. I'm like, how do I do this? They have all these SDKs. They're very confusing and pretty. They spend a lot of money on design, not too money on actually documenting stuff. You can choose all sorts of things to make something for this. I use JavaScript. And I'm going to run through a little bit of code, just kind of high-level view here of what I did. So basically, you can go into their little cloud application, and you can make stuff and compile it, and then save it to your phone, and then download it on your funny, cool Pebble watch, which you bought on Craigslist for $45. And so basically, you set up some global variables, you make a menu. This is all one file. You make some cards. They call them cards. I don't know. They're screens. You have it do some functions, on, off, on, off, on, off. And then you basically figure out if there's going to be errors and write stuff. So this is all pretty cool, but does it work? I don't know. There's a coffee pot right there. Can we have a volunteer right there? Yeah, you're a volunteer, but I told you you're doing it, so it's not really volunteering. But can I hire you for free?
Sure.
Okay, cool. If that coffee pot makes a little funny noise and has a red light show up on the front, you go ahead and just scream like you're dying.
I could have done that too.
Okay.
I'm
Are
right
you
here.
ready? So I'm gonna actually turn on this camera app.
Now you're blocking my view.
And you can see, hopefully. Oh, come on. There we go. Okay, so we have this watch app, which is very dark, and then you can basically go into it, and it says on and off, as you can see. And we're gonna hit the no right here, and you tell me if that does something.
Yep.
Boom! The internet. So really, that was a lot of fluff to basically say that JavaScript's pretty cool, and you can even make Internet of Things devices. It's not just relegated to the web or apps and fun stuff like that. Do I have time for any questions? Question
that
time?
based on
Any
how
time?
much-
I have 1 minute and 54 seconds.
Wow, so many questions! Okay, any questions?
Do you follow any standards?
Do I follow any standards?
Or do you just hit the nerve, that's it?
What do you mean?
Well, the register to say turn on and off.
Oh no! It's a RESTful API that Tyler Petresky made. I didn't follow any particular standards he had already set up. What needs to be set.
I'm not kidding. I'm not joking, okay? Because right now you have the HomeKit, you have everybody
Oh,
on
yes.
the race
Oh,
of
boy.
home automation, okay?
Sure.
You got Iris, you got Xtend,
Right.
okay? And
No. This is a homebrew kit. So basically, he just made an API endpoint in his Node or in his Arduino application over here,
Gotcha.
and I'm just basically directly going straight to it. Boom, over
Okay.
Wi-Fi. He has an IP address that I just kind of call into HTTP into his IP address and send it right over.
Okay.
So no, but that brings up a larger point about IoT that I would love to talk about at some point.
yeah, I
which
mean,
is
that's the whole point nowadays. Everybody's jumping on the bandwagon. I mean, you got Slate that actually in Orlando, they are creating the app to control the locks.
Yeah, Unikey. So basically, if you want to tweet me at jporcenalic, we can continue this conversation online. Also, I'm on Slack, Jared Porcenalic, on the Orlando Dev Slack. I don't know if that means anything to anybody here, but basically, or you can just come up to me after, and I have cards like those little tree cards. But yeah, the standards are a huge problem in IoT that everyone's trying to figure out. Everyone's trying to win. and no one has yet. So we'll figure it out, maybe. So.
Is that open source?
Is that open source? It's sure, take it. Do whatever you want with it. GitHub. Find me. I'll send you a link. Thank you.